addresses people of Manipur on the occasion of Hisam Iravat Day. Minister Nemcha Kipgen flags off state-level Poshan Ma cycle rally. And 123rd birth anniversary of Hisam Iravat Day observed across the state. Hello and good afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. I am Maria Pangamam. Let's have the news in details. Chief Minister of Manipur, Nongthombam Biren Singh, wished the people of the state on the occasion of the 123rd birth anniversary of Hisam Iravat. In his message, the Chief Minister said that Lamjingba Hisam Iravat was a towering figure and multifaceted personality. He was a freedom fighter, a politician, and social activist par excellence. A versatile personality, a gifted poet, and accomplished scholar, the CM added. Biren also said that Hisam Iravat's effort toward maintaining oneness and emotional integrity among the people of different communities are still fondly remembered. The CM appealed the people to follow the ideals of Lamjingba Iravat, who envisioned a united and new Manipur. Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen has flagged off the state-level Poshan Ma cycle rally today. The rally, organized by the Department of Social Welfare Government of Manipur, started from the Directorate Headquarters Social Welfare near 2nd MR Gate. The rally covered Imphal areas. The rally, which marked the end of the month along Poshan Ma observation, was attended by several Anganwadi workers and helpers. Speaking on the occasion, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen said the rally will help the public and benefits the Poshan Maha. She further urged its individual to support the government in taking up various schemes for the welfare of the public.
Poshan Magi Mapau Poduna Manipurgi Prayami amda awareness piba oirasuno amadi ngasigi rally asina achoba maipak pa oirasuno Poshan Abhiyan scheme asi joint sensitization thoram sing tongan ba district amadi block sing desu pangthokre scheme asina piri ba kan ba sing Manipur state na phang na ba hot na bada prayami amna su mateng pangbiyu.
A one-day cleanliness drive under the theme Free Plastic and Save Loktak Lake held at Thanga Chingha yesterday. Children Club Thanga Chingha of People's Resource Development Association PRDA Visnupur and Chingha Mayrapai B have jointly organized the cleanliness drive. Field Assistant of PRDA Ningthoizam Vidyalaxmi, Asa worker B. Mema Devi and Chingha Mayrapai V. Thaunauzam Dhanapriya were the main guests. Speaking on the event, Vidyalaxmi said the cleanliness drive was conducted to spread awareness about the danger and threat of plastic pollution, not only to human life but also in aquatic life at all the rivers of Manipur and that of the Loktak Lake due to the excess pollution of the plastic pollution. Thaunauzam Dhanapriya lauded the good works of PRDA.
Social service asi Thanga Chingha Dalaiba Children Club amadi Thanga Chingha gi asa Angalwadi worker adugo Children Club ki angang singa loina ragang si taujariba campaign asi Loktaki da thoiba pollution ji kitang da also save tong nabagi damanta plastic free campaign ama taujabani mayam da haijaning badi plastic si mafam chana amadi phajana thamsi haibasi mayam da haijaning.
Cleanliness drive was conducted at Sub-Deputy Collector Moirang office complexes under the jurisdiction of Sub-Divisional Officer Moirang, commemorating the 123rd birth anniversary of Jananeta Hisam Iravat today. The staffs of STO Moirang and STC Kumbi took part in the cleanliness drive in and around the office campus. Governor of Manipur Nazma Heptullah inaugurates international conference cum workshop on comprehensive approach to combat illicit trafficking of Afghan opiates drug situation in Northeast at Hotel Classic Grande in Fall. The program is jointly organized by Government of Manipur and United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime Regional Office, South Asia, UNODC ROSA. The 123rd birth anniversary of Hizam Irawat is being observed today across the state with much tribute and honor. As a part of the observance, Lamyanba Irawat Ningsing Thoram Observation Committee, Lintok, under the aegis of Protection and Preservation Committee, Manipur, PPCM, also observed the Hizam Irawat's 123rd birth anniversary at Siko Ground, Yai School Janmastan in Far West. Wreath floral tribute was paid at the photograph of Irawat as a mark of respect to the departed leader during the program. Let's take a short break here. Coming up, rally on cleanliness cum social service held at Tongju. More updates after the break. Stay tuned.
Nupi aikoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi. Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu ngasidi akhoi chingnaningai oidre. Aikoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom na monsoon season lakada monsoon offer pijiri India da saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder akaknaba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta yamda phanganjari ho sangbai ma takpada electric prepaid ta suknataki lupa ni makhai mai chai besan morok yangang marumarang hawai makhal sul takpa yaraba grinder su phangbiragani rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awab leitraba yumgi sangoi kachin amada hillaga isana phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice mill ni akupa marol gidamak linksin birau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazaar pijariba offer price ki kudong saba simyamna lawi ho akaknaba matam khara khaktan.
Welcome back. A rally carrying the message of cleanliness cum social service was held at Tongju Part 2. The rally was organized by Ivudo Tongju Lakpa Village Level Federation, Ivudo Koro Lakpa and Yumjao Lairenvi Tongju Part 2 under the aegis of Manipur State Rural Livelihood. The rally was organized to commemorate the 123rd birth anniversary of Jananeta Lamyanba Hizam Irawat. Taking the part in the rally, Pradhan of Tongju Part 2 and Kanon Chanu said that the rally was organized to follow in the footsteps of Hizam Irawat.
Sabha Saha Seksana Amalay Aduki Matanga, Koki Gram Saba, 2nd October, the Pangadam, Sigi Mamanta, Amapangtokse, Maduki, Sosen Sabistuka Sumari, Lainana, Akoki Sele Group Kangu, Punlaga, Koki Grams, one side Captain Javani.
As a part of the observance of Irawat month in different parts of Manipur, the 123rd birth anniversary of Jananeta Irawat was observed at Kumbi Market yesterday. The observance function organized by Irawat Celebration Committee, Kumbi Local Council, was attended by Chairman Irawat Celebration Committee Manipur, State Council Dr. Moyangkem Nara Singh, State Secretary Manipur State Council CPI, L. Sotin Kumar Singh, Wangu Borayangbi JP Member M. Rosen Singh, National Teacher Awardee M. Mangi Singh, Social Worker and Ivohal and President Irawat Celebration Committee Kumbi KH Dhana Maite and other members of CPI as the main guest. Union Minister of State, Independent Charge for Development of Northeastern Region, Jitendra Singh said that a 4-day festival destination Northeast will be held in Varanasi from November 23rd next month. The festival will be held in the important site of Hindu pilgrimage to familiarize the people with the rich unexplored potential and opportunities available in the Northeast region. The festival promises to be grand spectacle as a list of cultural programs of the northeastern region has been lined up for the festival. Moreover, food stalls selling diverse northeastern food items will be set up at the venue to satiate the taste buds of the visitors. There will also be a business center to offer entrepreneurship and livelihood opportunities in the region. Destination Northeast will be held in a similar way as other kinds of festival, showcasing the diversity of the northeastern region had been held in other parts of the country such as Delhi and Chandigarh. It may be mentioned that a 3-day cultural festival, Northeast Festival, showcasing the diversity of the northeastern region will also be held in Delhi from November 8, 2019. An open marathon was held as a part of the Poshan Mass celebration in Namchi, Sikkim South District. The marathon was held on the theme Sahi Poshan Des Roshan Marathon. The event was organized by Social Justice and Welfare Department in collaboration with Sports, Youth Affairs Development, South. The marathon flagged off from Central Park and had four categories: men's half marathon, women's 10-kilometer run, women's veterans 10-kilometer run, and men's veteran 10-kilometer run. The winners were awarded with cash prizes, medals, and certificates. The runners who finished within the top 10 were presented with consolation prize and certificates. Another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
In Manipur, Oinam Ibetondevi IAS Academy brings you the state-of-art grooming center for future IAS, IPS and other civil service officers here in Imphal. Shri Oinam Nabakishore IAS retired former Chief Secretary Manipur along with experienced faculties trained in Delhi will convert your dreams into realities. The Academy provides courses for prelims, mains and personality test of UPSC along with optional subjects, philosophy, public administration, sociology and Manipuri. Interested aspirants may join free 3 trial classes. For more details, kindly visit the Academy located at Kaisamthong near Ramlal Pol High Secondary School, Imphal. Please contact 8259916469. Also visit our Facebook page at Oinam Ibetondevi IAS Academy. Coil Green, India's #1 genset brand by Kirloskar Efficiency Integrated, is now in Manipur. Generator range 2.4 kVA to 1010 kVS DG set. Automobile engineering works at New Chakon Road, Imphal East, MI Store Building, 1st floor. Contact us at 9862-566601 or 0385245211. Authorized dealer, Kirloskar Gensets.
Welcome back. A 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court led by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi today refused to further entertain a habeas corpus petition filed by Rajya Sabha member Vaiko to know the whereabouts of former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah. Chief Justice Gogoi said nothing survives in the petition after learning that octogenarian National Conference Party leader was detained under the Public Safety Act PSA hours before the court hearing. This was despite the fact that the lawyer for Vaiko tried to explain that the PSA was imposed on the veteran leader on the eve of the apex court hearing on September 16. In the September 16 hearing, the court had issued notice to the government on the petition filed by Vaiko. Vaiko's counsel has submitted that Abdullah was believed to be under detention and there was no access to him. He was scheduled to visit Chennai on September 15 for a program following the center's move on Article 370. Now let's have the sports news. Manipur Mixed Martial Arts Association team received 7 gold and 4 silvers at the UFL International Mixed Martial Art MMA Championship held at Greater Noida, GV Nagar, Delhi on September 29. Manipur Mixed Martial Art Association represented Manipur Indian team at the championship. The Indian 4x400 meter mixed relay team finished 7th in the final race of the World Championships with a season best effort in Doha. The team of Mohammad Anas, VK Vishmaya, Jisna Matthew and Tom Nirmal Noah clocked 3 minutes 15.77 seconds to finish 7th in the field of 8 countries yesterday. It was just a tad slower than the 3:15.71 clocked by the Indian team while winning gold in the Asian Games last year. Anas began the race in lane number 8 and early in the second leg. Vishmaya was running last. Third leg runner Jisna collided with a second leg runner of another country after collecting the baton from Vishmaya, leading to the loss of crucial time, though India was at the last spot by the time. Ripped-up paving stones lay scattered around the grafted, scared streets of Hong Kong after one of the most violent days in a summer race, as protesters ready for fresh clashes on Tuesday, 70th anniversary of China's founding. The protest-wrecked financial hub witnessed its fiercest political violence in weeks yesterday as riot police spent hours in running battles with protesters. The streets blanketed in tear gas and smoke from burning barricades. Millions have hit the streets during nearly 4 months of pro-democracy protests, while hardcore activists have repeatedly clashed with police in the biggest challenge to China's rule since the city's handover from Britain in 1997. Now let's have the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, second youth conclave. The Shanghai Express ISTV continue to explore better future for mankind. Men packed to join anti-CAB-NE protests on October 3rd. JCILPS to launch drive from October 2nd. Irabud Day wishes. Prime Minister, Home Minister talk with Chief Minister Bishwajit on rebels stand. The People's Chronicle. After a lulled JCILPS to monitor migrant inflow, Assam Rifles under Home Ministry will adversely impact China border vigil, says Army. CSOs likely to protest Amit Shah's visit. Amuko extends help to Makhan fire victims. The Morning Bell. State gears up for Irrawad's Gandhi birth anniversary. IMC organizes cleanliness drive. Soon drive against buildings, shops violating guidelines. Manpack reaffirms stand on fight back CAB to begin stir from October 3rd. Chief Minister Bishwajit greet on Irrawad's birth anniversary. 10th, 11th IRB sets government October 15 for written test results. Over 300 girls participate in self-defense program. Imphal Free Press. Manpack gears up for October 3rd protests against CAB. State all set for Gandhi Irrawad birth celebration. Women's security at all-time low. Atrocities hit not. Child abuses on rise. 120 juvenile cases pending. Manipur Mail. Irabod Day to be observed today. Inculcate discipline, use time properly, says Siam. Congress delegation meets jailed law students' parents. Alleges government shielding Chinmayanan.
Well, before we wind up, the top stories once again. Chief Minister N. Biren wishes people of Manipur on the occasion of Hisam Irrawad Day. Minister Nemcha Kipgen flags off state-level Poshan Ma cycle rally. And 123rd birth anniversary of Hisam Irawat Day observed across the state. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.